on an earlier video, I showed you how to break down a whole chicken. And so what I've done is I've taken the pieces of chicken and we're going to add some spices to this. Now, again, I'm going to be cooking it in the pizza oven. I know you're jealous, you wanted one as well, but that's a whole nother video. But you can also do this in your regular oven, convection, 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and it'll be perfect for you. So we're gonna add our chicken in to a bowl. And then what I have here is some dried garlic, some dried onion. If you're keeping track, it'd be a tablespoon of each, and then a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of your favorite steak spice. We're just gonna mix this together, just kind of incorporate it. If you want to, and you don't want to use tongs, you can use your hands. I like using my hands because then you can also just kind of get it right in, so then you get all that beautiful seasoning on. We're putting it into a greased cast iron fry pan. There we go, look at that. Final piece. And you're gonna see you got all that great rub into the chicken. You're keeping the skin on because the skin's gonna be nice and crispy and flavorful for you. Now we're gonna take it to the pizza oven. So we've taken it out of the pizza oven. I cooked it for between 23 and 25 minutes. I've a little bit lost track of time, but I always put my meat thermometer in. It comes out 180 degrees. You know you have it perfectly done. The great thing about this is, you know, we broke the whole bird down into pieces. A lot of times we get stuck on, you know, whether it be boneless thighs or boneless chicken breasts, which are all great, but the bone in, again, it just adds another characteristic to it. And the other part, the important part, is cooking with the skin on. It's gonna make your chicken even juicier. Again, just adds that little layer of extra flavor to your chicken. It's gonna taste amazing for you. Again, a little bit of seasoning, caramelized, absolutely beautiful. I can hardly wait to eat this. Hey, till next time, check out this recipe and more at Nutrafarms.ca.